Yeah, people are saying that Airbnb is like going down, but I mean, I'm not seeing that. But of course, my property is in a prime location. It has all the amenities that people would want. So I think Airbnb is, failing for people that bought mediocre properties in mediocre areas, and they could get away with that back, between 2020 and basically this year. So now people that are going to be successful in Airbnb are going to have the prime properties with all the amenities and great locations. And that's the property that I have in Big Bear. It's steps away from the ski slopes. It has a really good design. It has all the amenities. People want to have a spa, it's remodeled. So I think for the mediocre properties on Airbnb, they are empty, and the ones that are, nice and remodeled and in good locations, they're booked. I mean, mine's fully booked for almost the whole month of December, and already booked, halfway through January. So a lot of people got into Airbnb and they just didn't know what they were doing. So those people are going to fall off, and the people that bought really good properties and are doing it the right way are still going to see really good success with Airbnb.